Hi everyone! Welcome to the Touch Notes tutorial. In this video, we'll introduce audio recognition. In the fast-paced study and work life, we sometimes miss important information. Using this function, you can record and take notes at the same time while listening to lectures or meetings, ensuring that no key information is missed. You can convert recordings or audios into text for easy organization and analysis. Open a node, turn on audio recognition in the toolbar. Click to start recording, and you can record and take notes at the same time. Stop the recording will be saved in the current node, so you can find it easily. Check the box to audio to text, and you can record and convert at the same time. You can also import note-related audio and convert it to text. You can add tags and name them while recording or playing audio. Click the tag to quickly jump to the corresponding playback position. Select the audio and click here. You can rename, delete, or export the audio.